Right now, at this exact moment, whether you're sitting, walking, scrolling your phone, eating, stressing, laughing, or even feeling sick, there's a war happening inside your body. A war you never see, hear, or feel, unless it goes wrong. Your cells are fighting. Your organs are defending themselves. Your brain is monitoring millions of signals. Your immune system is on constant patrol. And every second, millions of battles are being won just to keep you alive. Today, we're diving into the invisible war happening inside your body right now, the one that decides how long you live, how fast you age, and how healthy you stay. The moment you wake up, the battlefield activates. The war begins before you even open your eyes. The minute your brain senses morning light, it starts giving orders to increase cortisol slightly to wake you, raise your blood pressure to get you upright, switch your body from repair mode to action mode, activate your digestive system, prepare your muscles for movement, and restart your immune patrol. And all of this happens in seconds. Before you even stretch, billions of cells switch roles, all without your permission or awareness. Every morning your body boot ups like the most advanced computer in the universe, except that this computer has trillions of moving parts and zero downtime. The war happening inside you include 1. Your immune army never sleeps. It is an army more advanced than any Earth has ever built. Your immune system has scouts, macrophages, constantly patrolling, snipers, T cells, trained to kill infected cells, bomb technicians, B cells, building antibodies, cleanup crews, neutrophils, removing debris, intelligence officers, dendritic cells, carrying information, heavy weapons, NK cells, designed to eliminate threats instantly. Every single second. 2 to 5 million red blood cells are created, thousands of damaged cells are destroyed, cancerous cells are caught and eliminated, viruses and bacteria are detected, inflammation is activated and suppressed. Your gut decides what's safe or harmful. Your inside world is like a giant city with police, hospitals, engineers, and soldiers, all running 24/7. And here's the wild part. You don't consciously control any of it. 2. Every breath you take is a battle for oxygen. You take 20,000 breaths per day, but each breath is a microscopic war. Every inhale brings in oxygen, your body's fuel. Every exhale removes carbon dioxide, your body's waste gas. But deeper inside, your cells are fighting over oxygen like it's currency. Without oxygen, your cells would die within minutes. At the microscopic level, oxygen lands in your lungs, red blood cells rush to grab it. Hemoglobin locks onto it, it's transported through your bloodstream at highway speeds, and every organ grabs its share. If one organ doesn't get enough, the body immediately sends emergency signals, increasing your heartbeat, opening your airways, or redirecting blood flow. Even your brain, which is only 2% of your body weight, uses 20% of your oxygen. Every breath you take is your body saying, "Keep the system alive." But most people never notice. 3. The war inside your gut. If you want to know where the real battlefield is, it's your gut. Inside your intestines are 100 trillion microorganisms, more than the stars in the Milky Way. Some protect you. Some help you digest. Some fight invaders. And some are waiting for you to slip. Your body and your gut bacteria are in a constant negotiation. You feed them, they protect you, you give them a home, and they help your immune system. Your gut alone controls your cravings, your mood, your energy, your immune strength, your digestion together with your inflammation levels. And every meal you eat shifts the battlefield. One high-sugar meal can cause inflammation within minutes. One high-fiber meal can boost gut bacteria that protect your health. Your gut is basically your internal ecosystem, and depending on how you treat it, it can become peaceful or chaotic. 4. The hidden threat, chronic inflammation. Now here's where the war becomes dangerous. Your immune system is great at fighting short battles. But when your body thinks it's under constant attack, even when it's not, inflammation becomes chronic. And chronic inflammation is linked to aging faster, low energy, brain fog, weight gain, joint pain, heart disease, diabetes, lower immunity, and even cancer risk. The dangerous part is that you often don't feel anything. It's like having a tiny fire burning inside you every day. Not enough to panic, but enough to slowly weaken the system. What triggers it? Stress, poor sleep, processed foods, sedentary lifestyle, too much sugar, pollution, poor gut health, hidden infections. Most people have no idea they're inflamed until symptoms appear, sometimes years later. 5. Your brain, the general of the war. Your brain is the commander of everything. It monitors temperature, blood pressure, hormones, energy levels, immune responses, threats, emotions, digestion, movement, and breathing. The brain receives 11 million bits of information every second, but you're conscious of only about 40. Everything else is handled automatically, like a military base running in the background. When a virus enters your body, your brain triggers fever to kill it. When you're stressed, your brain increases cortisol, preparing you for fight or flight. But here's the twist. Your brain itself never rests. Even while you sleep, it's orchestrating repairs, organizing memories, and running the lymphatic cleaning system. Your brain is the military general that never sleeps, even when you do. 6. The most important battle happens at night. At night, your body switches from defend mode to repair mode. And this is where the invisible war is most intense. While you sleep, damaged cells get replaced, hormones get balanced, muscles repair, organs reset, the brain shrinks slightly to allow cleaning, toxins are flushed out, inflammation is reduced, energy stores are refilled. Your body basically becomes a night shift repair factory. If you cut sleep short, you don't just feel tired, you interrupt critical battles. Your immune system weakens. Your inflammation rises. Your aging accelerates. Your brain can't clean itself properly. This is why sleep is not a luxury, it's a survival strategy. So, how do you win the invisible war? To strengthen your internal army, here are the simplest, science-backed things to do. 1. Get deep sleep. This is when the body repairs the most. 2. Move daily. Even light movement boosts immunity and lowers inflammation. 3. Eat whole, unprocessed foods. Your gut bacteria respond immediately. 4. Reduce stress in small ways. Short breaks, breathing exercises, or quiet moments help reset the system. 5. Stay hydrated. Your cells need water to fight effectively. 6. Spend time in sunlight. Vitamin D boosts immune strength. 7. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods. They trigger internal inflammation instantly. 8. Prioritize recovery. Your body can't fight if you keep pushing it non-stop. You are the commander of a world you can't see, a world made of trillions of cells, working together, fighting for you, protecting you, and repairing you every single day. So treat your body like the miracle battlefield it is. Because inside every one of us, there's an invisible war happening right now, and the choices you make today decide who wins. This is episode 6 of Unknown Discoveries About the Human Body. See you in the next one.